Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Cosmos Beauty. Today I'm going to show you a review video about the Eartha Naturals charcoal mask. It's worth rupees 289. I bought it from amazon.in. So let's start the video. I already washed my face with the face wash. You can cleanse it also. So let's start the video. So this is the charcoal mask. I bought it from Amazon. It says that it's include a betanoate also in the mask, which is good for the skin. So the packaging is look like this. Look at this, it's so satisfying. It has little bit granules in it. I had a little bit blackheads on my nose and chin. So let's see, does it work? So let it dry for a while, about 10 minutes. So guys, it's already dried out. So now I'm gonna remove it from the sides first. I can't talk too much. Now I'm going to wash my face gently to remove the excess. So guys, I washed my face gently. Now I'm gonna use Dabur Gulab Jal to tone up my skin. Now after toning, I'm using this moisturizer, Plum moisturizer, to close my pores. So guys, this is the last result. You can see it's very fair now. As you can see, this is the result of peel off mask. So I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye bye.